Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and Marcel and I are here today and we are going to be visiting Madrid. Alright, so take the journey with us, and we are here mostly because we wanted to do a check-up on him to see how he's doing. The road is a bit wet, or more than a bit. And yes, and also because we would have received donation from 2 donors for him, so we are heading to see him. Oopsie. All right, so oops, just to provide an update really on what we have been trying to do behind the scenes, because we realize that Madrid's case is quite different from others that we have dealt with, because most persons we go to, we're able to bring them food, and you know, they're able to move around so they can cook and, you know, help themselves. But with him it's different, so he needs daily care, somebody to cook and take care of him and so on. So we would have reached out to an individual, you know, just for them to guide us as to how we'd go about it if it is that he was to get into a home, which he did say to us that he'd be more than grateful if he had the opportunity to do so. So we are checking that out to see if we can help him in that regard.
I smell food I cook, man. I smell food. Can food when I come?
Oh wow, the place still not too bad with the grass. It's the first time that we have been back since we came and weed up the grass for him. Yeah.
You want to have fire there, so.
Yeah. Me Chloe and Mama not pa Madrid.
Which part you come from? You can't open the door? You can't open the door?
The door?
Oh, come now.
What kind of wire that Marcel hold on pan?
It look like black wire.
I don't know, but no hold on pan, no wire.
How are you do?
No, come, me think I drop. Something sound heavy. Hear that? What is that? A bird. Alright guys, so we are here waiting on Madrid to come to the door. It's taking him a little while. It's a fish will be.
You up in it? You up in it?
Okay. No should be now going right there. I'm not really sure what happened. It buckled. Oh!
Oh, Jesus.
Madrid.
Ma'am.
What you do?
Morning.
Morning.
No good and me no bad.
You know good and you no bad. Okay.
In between. You look better?
Lukewarm, yes, but me have to go public and say.
When you going to public?
25th, they say me fi come back.
Oh, 25th of May.
Yeah.
And you went back to Spalding's?
Me got Spalding last week.
Last week, Wednesday?
Yeah.
Oh, so what you went to do?
To change the Capacity.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it we get the report when we go to public, but then say they don't get the from Mandeville yet.
Okay, so you have to go back and pick it up?
Yes.
Okay.
Obviously. Well, they say they don't know whether they not do it at Mandeville or a KPH, me have to go, you know. But them not do it over there for a spine problem.
Spine problems,
Yeah.
so that have to go to Kingston.
But me back on my fat, man, I can't walk.
But the other day when me talked to you though, you say you were able to move around a bit each day.
Me move around each day if I cook, me just cook around there.
Yeah.
Tell some smelly food.
Yeah, man, me have palmitic, man.
Yeah. So okay, so compared to the last time you'd improve.
Yeah. But the foot, boy.
So I walk out in a work.
Yeah. But me, I really run pan, you know. I must see day before, yesterday me get it.
Oh,
My daughter send it come.
nice.
Okay.
You never
Yeah.
see it, ma'am? You never see it?
See that, sir?
The walk. Oh no, me never see it. Your daughter sent it. That's awesome.
Yeah, man. She take care of me where she can, you know, but she don't have it, you know.
Yeah.
And she just go over there and caught up her one baby.
Yes. That's good.
But she do her best, you understand?
Yes.
And she the last one. She never get enough mind in family like the other one, them, you know, and pay me no mind, you understand?
Yeah, I understand. So where you cook at Madrid?
Ma'am?
Where you cook?
Man, look up piece of saltfish and piece of yam.
Okay.
That sausage smell like chicken, sir.
You know, man, me no full on chicken, man.
Ah,
Yeah, I didn't say me no full on chicken. Cause I have too much hormone.
yeah.
I bring up a prostrate, you know.
That's wrong.
Yeah.
So I need to stop eating chicken.
You know, no prostate.
Me have prostate. Everybody have. Every man have prostate.
I true, you know. That's what
That
the
way affect.
that's what the doctor told me.
Yes.
But that the things that you eat make it come up, you know.
But it not affect everybody.
It's everybody have it for true.
Yeah.
But then say every man to come check, you know. And there, we don't want a little help to reach a public now for. You have to rent car for gas part, you know, $8,000.
I help we carry come.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
understand?
We carry the help come because we have 2 donors who have sent donations for you.
Yes, and
So that should help you to go to
at $25,000 the car man saying that take you go there, but Mr. Lim say me give him 20 if me get it, you know.
But
go-
that say we give him 20 and you not see it. Then say if you carry you free.
Lord them, oh God man, then I go do it.
Oh, is that cameraman that you used to?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, is the same one that always take you to the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
And him alone you have to use.
Yes, I my loan me have to use.
Then him carry you when you not
That's-
have no money.
Yeah, when me not have no money, me call him, you understand? And he say, make sure you get my money, you know, so I say, you get the man for. You understand?
You say you get him on, can't remember say me I work.
Yeah. And God help me, that's me can give me glad. If I don't eat dinner, I want to give it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But you know when you want to go up there?
And that's why I don't get 3 days and not eat because you save for PM.
Yes, man. We see every PM.
I tell you.
So, Madrid, remember we did talk about the home.
Yes.
Still have not gotten a response yet.
Yes, funny man.
But we're waiting. If
Yeah.
we wait maybe a few more days and don't hear anything,
Yeah.
then we're going to do a follow-up.
Okay.
You want to go?
Yeah, I go say, man, me go,
Yeah.
man. For me one day I'll make Anil is.
Yeah.
Right now, I want to bathe, me can't grow like jungle kettle of water for bathe, you understand me? Me can't bathe myself, me want.
Yeah.
You get the water gear, we be when you're ready.
Me follow, yes.
You will
Yeah.
follow.
Oh, because you can't get the water. Okay.
I get the water for you.
Me take time, follow, and sometimes I want to clean out the place and fix up myself nicely, me
You
can't
have to
do it.
clean out place. You can't sit down good.
You know where I said, that's why I tell you, say, me would have gone at the home. Yes, I would go.
Yeah. Yeah, so let's keep our fingers crossed and just pray, you
Yes,
know,
ma'am.
that it will work out.
I mean, I charge the phone, me call on, and I said, I was going to call on today. He was calling.
No, we just come.
You can catch up.
So you know, say me out there, I can't go nowhere. So me
Yeah,
must be there,
because
yeah.
I remember that you said last week you were going to go to the hospital.
Yes,
so
Wednesday and
we
Wednesday.
figure you're there today.
Yeah, man. They're there till the 25th.
Yeah.
25th now, me going
Yeah,
back
leave
over
a
there.
public.
Me don't know.
Remember, so we did plan, you know. Say I go walk come down.
Well,
Remember?
once we can walk, no trouble me, no man.
From up there, no?
We take a road, man.
We gonna meet you. We walk together, that's it.
Yeah.
After you come here, you're supposed to fit.
And talk together, yes.
Yeah.
We don't want to say my foot, man, but then say I'm a spine, you know. Spine, I give me trouble.
Yeah.
For let me sit down long, I know my back jam me down, you know. Yeah. If we get up, it up, my back jam me down, you understand? So then say I spine for. Me make 3 test me make up other day me go, you know, 3 for Mandeville. Then put me pa man sitting and should be in the whole of me left out me head. Me lie down pa my back. And jam me out and should be in again, jam me out and should be in again, you know. Yeah. And me go back again and then put one thing down there so right round me, you understand? And when me go back last time now, they have you up your so, you know. And then test it and they give me.
Okay.
So you not get the result?
No, we don't get the result.
Has to go back for it.
Me I go back to 25 feet. So for the 25th now, they won't tell me when me fi move now. When me fi go if I public or Mandeville. For instance, they don't know if Mandeville can manage.
Oh, so if Mandeville does it, you don't have to go to Kingston
Do have to
Public?
go to public, yes.
Oh, okay.
They have less walk to come back?
Yes, family that is walk. Mandeville. You can't manage that $15,000 if you go Mandeville. We don't know. Why, terrible.
15,000 for go Mandeville?
And 25 we got town, 18 take we got Sparlet.
Oh, okay.
One gentleman come look for me yesterday. He have eye problem, he say. I must see 100,000 in pay to get 2 injections and he still can't see. Yeah. All day me and him there for yesterday come here and come see him. All day me and him there talk. Well, I've been bridging for a long time, you know.
That's good. He lives in the area?
Yes, it's Stettin.
Okay, okay.
You know Stettin?
Yeah, drive through there, come down.
You know where the upstairs dance hall there?
No, that's not what me know, some upstairs building out there.
Oh, you don't know where they sell the catch pot around there? Yes, man, me and him there all day and we talk. He's like we're glad to see one another, you know?
Yeah, that's good though.
Yeah. I'm actually blind in past years grown us, you know. Around us, I my call and my answer. And he come around back.
I door did lock.
No, man, the door open.
But him couldn't see if he know when he reached.
Yeah.
Oh.
I wonder if I last week he end up down here.
No, man, I mean, come look for some. Me did have 2 of this for me, have one and me get this, look, no.
Oh, yeah.
And me give him one, the whole one.
Nice, yeah.
And him camera gone.
Yeah.
So, me don't know if when me go to the hospital, if me have to go carry this with me. That me go, no, so me don't carry that, but me don't know if me have to carry this.
Maybe then we're not sure.
It can fall up, so you should
Yes, it can
better
fall
you
up.
bring it.
Ma'am?
I think you could carry it.
He can fold up, yeah.
They're not gonna make you walk.
Up there.
Because they're not gonna allow you to use it.
They not
Or
gonna-
maybe they have, I don't know.
Oh. But sometimes when me the hospital, them tell me say I must exercise the foot, you know. And me tell them say I can't turn up, it's not the foot me can't turn up, on my back, you know. And me can't turn up. If me try to turn up, man, the back jam me down, man. And the pressure taking knee young, see chimble so. And dirt me gone. Yeah.
Nothing mind a lick head when I drop.
It's true, man, true.
You have to wear one helmet.
Me try, me go down for me and them.
No, wear one helmet, you better.
I don't know about me a ride. I'm glad to know when time me see you, man, me get a little laugh, you know.
Yeah, me have to carry come,
Me
man.
get a little laugh, man. A little joy coming on me.
Yeah. Go on.
Yeah. God is to be praised, man.
Yes, man, all the time.
Then
You come around here, we know why you feel like, you know,
hard, no way.
like you're sick and
The lady where name Miss Vi. You know, hear from her again.
Miss Vi? Who is that again?
She sent something for me there. I think it's she named Sister Vi. I don't remember if it's Sister Vi. I don't remember. The same one I say
To call you?
No, she make forget the number. What? She
Oh,
name?
it's not Vi.
Is what?
I don't remember, but I sent your number to her.
Oh, it's no call. If he give me
But you
number,
not get no call yet.
no, if he give me number, me da call her.
She will call you, man, because she asked me for it, I sent it.
Yeah. Da call
So
her
in
until
her own
thanks
time,
again,
she
man.
will call.
You know?
Huh?
I will call her and tell her many thanks again.
No.
She's here now, you know.
Eh?
She's here now.
Eh? For
You
it.
can't tell her thanks.
Me tell her thanks already, but I want to tell her thanks again.
Yes, you know.
Yeah. For the condone and help me, no man, if you go up Mandeville, let me go over there, you know.
Donation.
Yeah, man, help me, man, oh God. The
Yeah.
treat me over there.
Yes.
I pay $11,000 one time. One time they charge me 8.5 and one time I pay 15, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
me have to hire a car to go up for 7, for 8. And when the car come back for me give the man 7 months and say me broke. Then me catch a gate, you know.
Yeah. Is it rough for you?
Yeah, me have $100,000 about me want to buy
Oh.
piece of saltfish to cook, you know.
Oh,
So I couldn't bother give him.
Let me tell you, man. You should give him and then you borrow it back.
Oh. But he say alright, you know.
Oh.
He say alright, I'm a dead man. So me I tell him say boy
Give
me
him
want
a borrow it
$100,000.
back.
Yes, give her
Me
back.
can't give, you know. But you then used to me and then no, me that kind, me did kind when me did the pan foot, you know.
So you're not kind now.
Me don't have nothing for kind.
Oh.
Me prefer take something for somebody want to give them, you know, me not have nothing to give them, you know.
Yeah.
But me used to kind all to baby and pitney, school pitney, Lord. So I say man, church people are passing in church people, give me half in there, Madrid, me give them, any one of them. Yeah.
yeah.
The little pitney, them used to ride bike, you know. The little pitney, them look out to me on the road and tap a bike and see me come and tap a bike. Tap a bike. At school then they go, you know.
Yeah.
They give her money in the sir. I'm a jet. Me can't forget one day me I ride at one place and this one little pitney and one woman. Me don't know this little pitney, you know, but he know me. And he tap me on my tap, he say, Mommy, see man I went carry go to school and give him the money. And it-
Yeah. See that them to remember.
Yes, man. Mommy, see, man, I carry. Me take up about 3 of them. For them walk at the school, they are good to jump, you know. Take up about 3 of them and carry them and give them $100.
Yes, man.
And then gone. And then go and go tell them mother, you know, man. And see me a pass and tap me. And the lady tell me thanks. He said, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Good deed.
Yes. So what you give is what you get, you know. If you're kind to some people, your kindness will come back to you, you know. Yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
And if you're good man, the goodness follow you. And God provide for you for some time. I mean, I say, oh, my money tomorrow. So one vice coming at me and say, the Lord will provide.
Yeah.
And he provide. Yes, by tomorrow he provide and I can go cook.
Absolutely.
You're not going to see me tomorrow, though.
No, you hear me know. You know, man. And next week, me don't look for you.
You don't look for me next week?
Me
Oh.
don't look for you next
So that means that we come too early.
No, man, you're alright. Me glad to see you, man. Tell me soon, me feel joyful for this. Man always cheer me up.
Yes.
You know, you little joke with me and me can laugh and feel like me are somebody again. You understand me?
Yeah.
But every day I want to sit down, you know, ma'am. Lord God, it's embarrassing bad. I mean, if I used to that, I used to go and work, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and come in the evening and go on the other man again. You understand? If you sit down here, boy, terrible.
Yeah.
Terrible.
In total silence all day.
Yes, ma'am. So the little DDV helped me watch our show.
Oh,
And me listen to radio, you know? And me accompany them.
good. And the remote I help you out now.
Yes,
too.
in the body, yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
So me give thanks to all of them things and thank you people them very
Yes.
much, you know?
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so nice people them.
Yes,
Help
yes.
me, man. Help me to the max. Yeah,
That's why we find you.
yeah. God is to be praised, man.
All the time.
I'm blessed,
All the
you know.
time. Yes, man.
Yeah. So I pray for no long life, you know, more time.
Yeah.
Every time if you pray for we have long life.
Yeah, man.
More time.
Yeah, man. I pray for no long life, man.
Every time.
And health and strength.
Yes.
And help others. You know, pray for the help for me one, you know.
Yeah, everybody.
True, man. Help others.
Yeah.
For me, I beg God say if he take me up back, figure me go help myself and help others as many as me can help, you know. Help them.
Yeah.
Because I used to help people, you know. Yeah, man.
You have to just help others if you tell him say we serve him.
Yeah.
The rest of your life.
Me tell him that, man.
Absolutely.
So you have to start from now, you know.
Yeah, man, me tell him that, man. And me tell him the things me used to do, me now go do it again.
Yes.
Places me used to go, me now go there again if me get up back. Yeah.
Actually, you can't walk, make you say you're not bad.
No, man, me change my life, man.
Yeah, I'm serious, man. It's a serious commitment that he's making.
True that. Now do what me used to do, man, and me now go, me used to go again, man. You're mad, man.
Hallelujah. You're mad.
Because when I spoke to you 2 times before now,
Yes.
I remember you saying that, you know, you get up and I was asking him if he's reading his Bible.
Yeah, man,
He said,
Bible.
get up and read my Bible.
Yeah, he opened on the bed. I must say, me read.
Yeah. And him say after him read the Bible, him realize in one morning he get up and he could move around.
Yeah.
And the next day he could have move around a little bit better than the day. Yes, you told
man.
me.
And me give thanks to mother, man, when me could have grown so cook and me no fall long.
Yeah.
And come back and me no fall long. Go back the next day and me no fall long. You understand?
God is to be praised indeed.
True. Yeah, man.
Yep.
You never know, so me tell you all of that.
Yes, man, you did.
The day before me grown and me fall long 2 times, you know. Yes. I mess up myself. And me fall long, yeah. Even when I did when you come that time, me just get up. Fall long there for about an hour and a half and couldn't get up.
That's the day when you were on the chair there.
Yes, ma'am. Me have to hard job around the my body and come here, so take off the seat off of the chair, put it down and could have kneel down on you, try brace up and sit down on the bed,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Read the Bible and praise God, man.
Yeah.
And next day I could have get up and say give thanks.
Yes.
Yeah.
And see now you go around there, go cook and come back
Yeah,
around.
man, come. It take me a little long, you know, fast. If I call me, I come, you know.
Yeah.
But God no can come faster.
But at least you can come.
Yeah.
Last time we come, we have Marcella actually come in, come open the door.
Yes, that's the same day me fall long.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. You have to walk around and come up inside the door for me. Me there so I could even come now so. To open the door. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So me still even better more that time.
So in all things you have to give thanks, you
Give
know?
thanks, man. To the power that be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Okay guys, so you'd have heard of Madrid, you'd have seen him as well.
Yeah.
We see that he has improved and we're giving God thanks for that.
Yes, man, I give
Yeah.
thanks to.
Yes, and we're also giving thanks to
Yeah.
all the donors, everybody who would have donated. So him, you heard him say, you know, thank you, because as a result of your help, he was able to make the hospital visits and so on.
Yeah, man, 3 times.
Yeah. All right.
But
So,
me never pay me go over there, no, then send me to the ambulance. Yeah.
all right. So just want to say special thanks to all our donors and everybody
Yes.
who watches us, who supports us,
And
who reaches out to us from time to time and prays for us as well.
Yeah.
All right. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican.
Yeah.
Blessed love. Stay safe and bye bye.
Yeah.
All right, Madrid.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Rasta.
Yes, sir.